Hey, for everyone watching us for the first time, this is Bashar from Thorn&Horn Farm. We have so many subjects to talk about here in this channel. We do a lot of farming, we do some automotive, and a lot of interesting things. If you're here for the first time, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you see all our videos. This car is a 2010 Toyota Corolla, had a frame damage. Somebody got hit on a stop sign, so the frame moved to that side, to the passenger side. So we're gonna be doing some frame work. If you like this kind of type of videos, just as I said, make sure to subscribe and watch until the end. We'll show you the whole process and the paint job also. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, here let's take a look on the frame. As you see, look at the damage. The welding spot is completely tore up, and it bent pretty good to the passenger side. You can see the damage. Probably somebody have an idea about what I'm talking about. We'll see immediately. It's clear. We have to pull it back where it is and try to salvage the radiator support, because it kind of messed up pretty good. We're gonna try to save it, like straight it as much we can, and just get the car where it fit nicely and safely. So stay tuned. Okay, let me show you guys the frame machine that I use. It's the Spider frame machine. It's a lot of work. I highly recommend not to go with it if you have the room for a drive-on frame machine. If you have a room in your place to put a drive-on frame machine, never guys, never go with this. This is a massive hard work to put it on the car. I know a lot of the people outside saying, you know, what is it? You just mount those legs on the bottom of the car and connect them. Yes, you're right, that's about it. But you know what's the problem? The fraction in difference in the angle of the arms will give you hours of work to make it work, to make it mount on the car. It's really hard to show you what I'm talking about, but believe me, if you have the room, don't go with this style of frame machine. It's terrible. It's a lot of work. We'll show you now how to put it on the car. And finally, I got it on. Guys, I hate this machine. If somebody know an easier way to mount it on, please let me know in a comment. This is a pain. Anyway, it's on. As you see, the mount here on the other side, and you can control the angle from here. It is one of the problem, guys. One of the problem for this frame machine, when you put so much pressure on a pulling in an angle, that's what happened. Your clamps come loose. You see that? So you have to release and readjust them again. And this has happened with me dozens of times. No matter how much you tie them up, just the force is too much to straighten the frame. And I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I've been using it for 7 years, and I tried every idea that I can come across. Nothing. Always gonna happen the same. It will get the job done, like in the end, but yeah, that's has to happen every once in a while. And here we are in the end of the pulling part. The framework is almost done here, and if you want to watch part 2 of this video, just stay tuned, and that will be about putting the parts on the car, making sure the gaps is good and the lights and everything, and then paint the part and put the car together. So thank you for watching, and please if you like the video, leave a comment, and if you have a question or advice, we will love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much, and see you later.